Hello lovelies, welcome to this channel. Right here on this episode we will have a tutorial on a simple fascinator using the view, the headband. We will have the form of embellishment, the scissors, and then the thread and needle. This kind of fascinator is usually used for civil wedding and can be done within 5 minutes. So let's get started. I have a view of 22 inches. What we have to do is to rub both edges with a piece of thread gently and neatly. This can also be done with a glue, joining the rough side together. But supposing you have no glue, I think this method will be favorable to you. So apply same method to both sides. You have to be sure there's no strip left out, so you can gently or carefully cut off the excess to make it appear good. Please subscribe to this channel, but don't forget to hit the notification button, like and comment on every episode as I bring to you more trendy and classy fascinators tutorial. So one thing about this fascinator is it's easy to make and doesn't require much materials. It is beginner friendly. You can try that. After applying this method to both sides, the next thing we have to do is to fix our view on our headband. So with the help of our thread and needle, we will fix one side at the edge or the extreme end of our headband. You just have to leave a space and then join it together. Always remember to use a matching thread so that it doesn't reveal itself on your work, and this really makes it neat and attractive. After fixing your view on the headband, the last thing to do is to embellish. Okay, so we placed the form of embellishment on the headband with the view on it. But please, you should know the kind of embellishment to do or to use on your headpiece to make it bliss, okay, to come out neatly or beautifully. So kindly know what to place on your headband, and I think you are good to go. Thank you for watching, and I'm sure you will try this out.